your new leads are lost and it's costing you thousands in missed sales because you're not nurturing them in the right way. I'm about to show you what to do with new leads and how to sell them into your offer, converting a struggling marketing funnel into a Let Go Boss automated machine. This exact customer journey framework will revolutionize your business overnight. Let Go Boss, you don't want to miss this. So I just want to take you really quickly through how to build a customer journey for your sales offer. First, by understanding your target audience, nurturing them, giving them some kind of lead magnet, giving them some kind of free taste to your content, checking in with them, and then upselling them to your full paid recurring revenue program, all the way to the point where they're referring you to others. You're just making money continuously so you can let go, boss. All right, let's talk about how to build a customer journey for your sales offer. The idea is you want to define first for your business, who is the persona that I'm targeting? You have to get real clear. And here's a good example. This is for a client that does meditation home kits for busy parents so you can teach your kids mindfulness. So it's an email subscription package. And really, it's totally the same for you. It's an online client acquisition sales funnel. A bunch of fancy words. How we're going to help parents be less stressed. And the name of the brand is Less Stress. And so this is how they're going to sign up for our community platform. First thing that you want to do is define the demographic. Who are you selling to? I'm selling to busy moms. They have disposable income, let's say $100,000 plus per year salary. They have kids, they're parents that need help bonding with their children. Highly educated, ages 30 to 40, mostly female. 25% are single parents. Good to know. The children are overscheduled. They got a lot of money. They got a lot of activities, piano classes, Spanish classes, etc. And parents are not building in quality time. Kids are just throwing a fit. It's like them throwing a chair, and they need to be calm and mindful. So you want to get in the psychology and mind of your demographic for your business. Who are you selling to? What are you selling? So define the demographic, who you're selling to, get very specific. What is the pain point and how you can bridge that gap? All right, next, you want to start with where you're going to acquire your customers, right? So let's say we want to start with Instagram. Parents visit the Instagram profile. They see amazing content. You want to have a link in bio or a comment that you automate, like calm on a post or a reel or a video. Hey, comment calm if you like what I was sharing. And so in the end, you're going to find 80% of the content on your Instagram or YouTube or whatever comes from a few anchor videos, right? And that's what we call value reels. But the point is, from that content that you put out, whether it's a YouTube video, an Instagram video, a blog, whatever it is, you want to have some kind of lead magnet, right? And a lot of people are using auto replies. So if you, like I said, comment calm, you get a free guide on how to calm down your children when they're having a tantrum. I have no idea. And that, when they read it, the call to action at the end of it is either to schedule time with you or join a Facebook community or whatever you may have. The point is, though, you have their name, phone, and email, and you know that they're interested. And so that you can develop that interest, nurture it, etc. So let's say you send a free guide to them. You may remind them to join with some automation and then send them a welcome email. Hey, welcome to the Less Stress community. You're one of many that are stressed out by kids that are doing XYZ, and we're here to help. So you start sending these value emails and engage them to validate their pain points and to let them know they're not alone. There's something that you can do to help them. This is where you then start dripping your program, right? You may have a what to expect email. Like every month, you're going to get these great meditation exercises around mindfulness that you can do with your kids. And you want to cement the pain point around the stress being horrible, building a deeper emotional connection with these parents so that you can have a connected household. This is where you start dropping your terminology and concepts and they start developing trust. And you can put emails with videos of you, etc., so they can start seeing your face more and more often. Then you may start with, okay, a plan to get them ready. Hey, this is your plan this month. Get your space ready for meditation. You need this yoga mat. Do this on Sunday. You don't want to rush people into it. Hey, you need to jump in and do this activity. It's easy. You want to prep them slowly, like you're taking a friend to a gym, right? They're lazy. They need to get their butt off the couch, etc. So maybe that first email is just, hey, prep your space, buy a candle, excite your kid as you're picking them up from school saying, hey, I have a very exciting thing coming up. And so these are the things that you want to drip in your email. So this is that nurture sequence. Once you get into the head and psychology of your leads, you'll know how to talk to them, right? So then you want to drip them with materials they need, right? Hey, here's a worksheet. All you need to do is follow 1, 2, 3. And then you want to get them ready for the change. Let's say the program starts on Sunday. You may be like, okay, this is the week. Is your space ready? Here are the materials. You may want a comfortable beanbag to sit in, etc. And then on the day of or the day before, you may want to excite them, remind them, maybe with a GIF or emoji or some kind of calming meditation where you say, okay, you've done the right choice. This is it. Tomorrow, this is happening. Here are the first exercises. And then you want to automate some kind of check-ins. Let's say they did the first exercise. Then you want to drop a survey. How did it feel? Schedule a call with us. All these kinds of touch points. So you get into the point where, okay, they've engaged and you can detect if they actually went through the meditation program and clicked the link. And if they did, probability is, hey, they're really serious. Maybe you want to email them, video call them, etc., text them, and then start your little check-in loops, right? Emails, texts, triggers, ticklers, whatever you want to call them. And slowly, as you drop more curriculum and content, maybe Sunday you send them a caterpillar exercise and you tell them what they can do once a week, once a month, etc. And you have those nice guides that they can know what the movement is, what the pose is, etc. Maybe you hire an artist that like draws out what the meditation exercise is. Once you get them hooked, like drugs and candy to your offer, then you want to start upselling them, right? Slowly. Hey, if you enjoyed that, imagine the full community and all the tutorials that you can get, etc. And then you eventually get them to pay and then keep delivering monthly value. So the point is, you see, you always start free until they start liking you and trusting and seeing the value in your program. Then you want to build in more check-ins where they get access to a fuller or a paid community. And then you get to the point where they're a happy paid subscriber and they will eventually refer other moms that just love the program through an affiliate program that you can sequence or through a Facebook group, etc. So I just want to take you really quickly through, ideally, after you define the demographic, going from a cold lead, warming them up, maybe having a lead magnet PDF, inviting them to a community, giving them a taste of what you have to offer, and then warming them up to the point where, okay, they're a hot lead. They really can't live without your meditation mindfulness program. And they're addicted. Now they're paying monthly and they become a happy recurring client with a subscription revenue stream and they're referring others. So that's it. There you have it. That's the flow. Drop me a comment if you want. I'd be happy to share this Canva with you. But that's how to build a customer journey for your sales offer. First, by understanding your target audience, nurturing them, giving them some kind of lead magnet, giving them some kind of free taste to your content, checking in with them, and then upselling them to your full paid recurring revenue program, all the way to the point where they're referring you to others and you're just making money continuously so you can let go, boss. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you like this. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to join our Let Go Boss community. I'll leave the links below and hit that subscribe button for more updates.